Have you ever been paid for failing before? I found a website that's going to definitely pay you for failing. This is something that we are being beaten for in Africa, especially in Nigeria. Whenever we go take up an examination and then we fail when coming back home, our parents to be at home with their koboko waiting for us to show them our report card. Either we come out with last position or with first position. Then you're going to decide if either you're going to be rewarded or being beaten. I don't know if African parents actually reward their child, but I'm very sure that they definitely beat their child for failing. So I've been searching for different ways you can be able to make money online, and I stumbled on this amazing website. They are going to pay you for actually taking up an examination and failing. This sounds crazy, but this is true and it's also amazing. Hello guys, my name is Felix Onhiri. If you are new here, I'll say a very big welcome to you. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also click on the notification bar to turn on post notification. If you're already a subscriber, then welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process of applying or signing into a website that's going to pay you for failing. You take up an examination with them and then you submit it, and then they're going to pay you for failing. You don't want to miss out on any part of this video. So just sit down tight and I'm going to show you how you can be able to go about it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so now one of the things you want to do is you want to look for want to search for Bear Internationals, right? So this is it. So now this is the website that actually pay you for taking up an exam and then failing. Like, it's quite crazy. So once you clicked on it, you're going to scroll down and you want to look for evaluators here. All right, so this is the one you want to look for. Then you click on it. Now you want to become an evaluator. Okay, so I'm not going to fill all the details. This is because I have already set up an account with them. So yes, this is it. You choose English. That's if you're English speaking country. Then you enter your email here. And when you're done, you select your country. Then you put in your details. Then you access the job, and then you just create it. I'm going to tell you to verify your email address. So you just go to your email and then verify it. So once you are done setting it up, this is where you come in and then you log into the evaluator dashboard. So I'm going to log in now. I just hope I remember my password. Okay, this is not connecting. Let me see. Yep, so let me save this. So now this is my dashboard. All right, so this is how it look like. This is the account, this so this is the shop, evaluator records found. So this is where you find your jobs and the shop available where you want to get work and then get paid for it. So we go to shop. This is our shop dashboard. I don't think there's any job available now. Let me check. So now this is, you click on the job board. Now you can search within your home. Okay, all right, so you don't need to enter the address, or if you want to enter an address, you just put an address that you want to look for within there, or you just say my home. Then check this, the country that you want to apply for. I'm in Nigeria now, so let's use Nigeria. Let's choose this and click search. There's no shop at this moment. Okay, so there is none at this moment. So let me enter an address: Abuja, Nigeria. I don't get why am I saying US. Yeah, hold on. Okay, let me look for this. Then click search. There are no jobs available so far. Okay, so we normally used to get job once we click on apply. I'm going to check my mail now and show you some of the jobs they've gotten so far. Okay, so this is my email. Now this is it, bearinternationals.com. So look at the jobs that assignment 1 assignment available. Alright, so click here. It's no longer available. This was available like 9 hours ago. So if you get a job that are available, then this on Friday, that is 9 hours ago, then you're going to see it. They're going to send you a mail. Okay, I'm going to send you a mail in order for you to be able to search for jobs. Let me check other locations if I can get a job in other location. Let's leave that off. Let's click search. Not available in other location. So alright, let me see. United Arab Emirates, then research. So for now they do not have any job that are close by. If there are jobs that are close by, you would have seen it here. You would have seen it, shops in Nigeria, shops here. So let's search states. No shop found. Alright, let's start based on country. Good. Now you can see that when we search based on, there is no job that was found in Nigeria, like in Abuja. However, we have shops that are found in other parts of the country. So this is one in Asaba, this is another one in Benin, this is another one in Enugu, this one in Lagos, this one in Ibadan. So this is Ibadan, this is also in this one in Jos. So all you need to do is just choose one. Let's say for instance I'm close to I want to take the one in Lagos State. Alright, I will just come down here, click on more info. Now this is it. So now this is the name. Alright, this is the test by 5 a.m. This is the center where you're going to take the exams. Then this is when it's going to be due. Now this is how much you're going to be paid. This is your bonus. Okay, so till TBD. So this all you need to do is just, if this is something you want, then you just apply here and you click on apply for shop. Okay, in 5 hours. So but ensure that you've read the guidelines. This is very important. Ensure that you've read it. Alright, please read the following things. Now please note, self-assign, this will give you access to candidate information sheet which must be filled out in your shop log. Your test will be scheduled for a later date. Now the due date on this shop is when the completed application is due. This is not the date of your actual text. Okay, now timing, you'll be assigned a specific exam section varies by testing center. Now you are required to arrive 30 minutes prior to your test time and to spend the minimum of 75 minutes taking the exam. Now you're not eligible if you have taken or plan on taking an actual Persevere exam within 12 months. Reports must be completed in English. China mainland, please use specific Chinese. The evaluation involves checking to make sure examination follows security protocols, checking ID, having a test, take empty pocket, etc., and then taking the exam. And this is what I want to highlight for you: failing, taking the exam and failing. So you can see the goal is to ensure that you fail. All right, that's the goal. If you fail, you prove it. Now, no purchase is required. Your examination registration fee is already paid for you. You upload the confirmation email you receive from PersonVue and a copy of your report score to verify that you failed. To verify that you failed the exams. Now that is it. So your work is to ensure that you fail the exams. You're going to upload them and tell that I failed this exam, or you guys should pay me for actually failing an exam. This is something that our parents beat us for, but this is actually somebody who is going to pay us for actually taking up an exam and failing. If you're interested in this evaluation, please use the self-assigned features. Do not apply if you have not read the assignment details. Now kindly regard. All right, then you just come and say, I understand that this is a two-step process and must be completed with short time. So you can just write your application here that, hey, hello, I want to apply for blah 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 blah. You just write your details and then you click on apply for this shop. Okay, so that is just what it is. What they are basically going to pay you is for failing. So that's it for this one. Now you can actually go for this Computer Knowledge Center. If you live in Ibadan, then this is for you. Click on more info. Alright, so Basic Computer Knowledge Center, this is your address where you're going to actually go and take the exams. Now this is how much I'm going to pay, $500. Then before completing any opportunity to be sure to read the client's project briefing. Now update to include health and safety guidelines / recommendation. Have you ever been paid to fail? Now, have you ever been paid to fail? Okay, so now imagine this it sounds crazy, but this is what these guys are going to do. Now for this shop, you'll be visiting a testing site, take an exam and be paid to fail the exam and fill out a report on your experience. Okay, so have you ever been paid if you take an exam and be paid to fail the exam and fill out a report on your experience? So I'm going to tell them how you are able to fail, your experience so far, what you're able to do. Alright, so read the guidelines after self-assigning this shop for instruction to complete the application. Please note, self-assigning this shop will give you access to the candidate information sheet, which must be filled out in your shop log. Your test will be scheduled for a later day. The due date on this shop is when the completed application is due. This is not the actual date for the exam, for your test. Timing: you'll be assigned a specific exam session, various by testing center. You're required to arrive 30 minutes prior to time. You spend minimum of 75 minutes taking the exam. You are not eligible if you have taken or plan on taking an actual PersonVue exam within 12 months. Your report must be completed in English. In China mainland, please use a specific Chinese. Now, this evaluation involves checking to make sure that exam administration follows security protocols. They take ID, having test taker, empty pocket, etc., and taking the exam and failing. No purchase is required. Your examination registration fee is paid for. You will upload the confirmation email you receive from PersonVue and a copy of the report to verify that you failed the exam. Payment of the shop. Now, if you're interested in this evaluation, please self-assign this and do not apply if you do not read this. Then you just apply, click apply for the shop. So that's it. So please don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also click on the bell in order for you to get more notification about this. There are crazy amazing things you can get online. I'm going to do all the works, research them, and then give it to you. Okay, so please click on the subscribe button, like this video, and also click on the bell in order for you to turn on post notification. All right, so now this is what these guys do. They take up an exam within your catchment area, within your location, and then when you fail, you upload your experience there, and they are going to pay you for actually failing. So this is crazy. This is what they beat us for in Nigeria and the other part of Africa for failing. But yes, somebody actually reward you for taking up an exam and then going to fail. So once you fail, then they will definitely pay you. So they have shops in different kinds of location. They have shop. So let's take, for instance, you are in South Africa. Where's South Africa? Okay, yeah. Then you can search by your country. So they have others in South Africa. So wherever location you are in, they have something for you. All you need to do is just simple, go and take an exam, fail, and then get paid for actually failing. So this in United, wow, they don't have more in London than in any part of the country, in UK rather. So take up the exam and then fail. The rules, the regulation, everything is the same. All right, that's all you just need to do. The exams has been paid for you. Your own part is just go there, write the rubbish that you know, actually fail, share your experience to them, and then like, hello guys, this is my experience so far, this is my test report, and then I actually took this exam and then I failed it. And once you're able to confirm all these details, you are definitely going to be paid for it. So guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also turn on post notification, because I'm going to be releasing more amazing videos like this. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in other video next week.